Welcome, Empire Builders! You're about to discover some of the most innovative, under-the-radar income streams that could completely transform your business game. If you're tired of the usual hustle, dropshipping, freelancing, and affiliate marketing, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into rare, high-profit, and creative ways to make money that are not only unique, but also ready to be turned into a serious side hustle or full-blown business. Imagine this. You could be the first to jump on these opportunities, leaving your competition eating your dust. These income streams are not just about making some extra cash. We're talking about changing your financial future and building something that truly pays off. Let's get into it. 1. Pay-per-view video tutorials for niche skills. Here's a gem that hasn't been explored nearly as much as it should be. People are willing to pay for expert knowledge. But what if you could capitalize on a niche skill by charging for access to in-depth, high-quality video tutorials? What's the opportunity? Pick a skill that's in demand but not oversaturated. It could be a specific type of DIY repair, a unique cooking style, or even a rare craft like leatherworking or pottery. Create a series of video tutorials that break down everything a person needs to know. Charge a pay-per-view rate for access to each tutorial, or offer a subscription model for exclusive content. Profit potential. Depending on your niche and marketing efforts, you could easily make $1,000, $5,000 plus a month by selling access to your tutorials. People pay for knowledge they can't easily find elsewhere, especially when they see value. 2. Rent out unused space for pop-up events. Have an extra room, garage, or even an empty parking lot that's just collecting dust? Time to turn that underutilized space into cash. What's the opportunity? You can rent out any unused space for pop-up shops, art galleries, fitness classes, and even small local events. Connect with small businesses or creative individuals looking for affordable venues to host events, workshops, or classes. You could even rent out parking spaces to people looking for short-term parking during events or high-traffic periods. Profit potential. Renting out your space could easily bring in $500, $3,000 plus per month, depending on your location and the types of events you host. 3. Mobile plant rental for offices and homes. Have you ever thought about how much some businesses and individuals would pay to have plants brighten up their spaces? Why not tap into the booming indoor plant trend? What's the opportunity? Offer a monthly rental service for indoor plants. You provide the plants, pot them in beautiful containers, and maintain them. The clients enjoy greenery without the hassle of upkeep. Focus on businesses, offices, and even high-end apartment owners who want to elevate their spaces. You could also upsell plant care products like watering cans, plant food, or decorative pots. Profit potential. A well-maintained plant rental business can make anywhere from $1,000, $10,000 plus per month, depending on the scale, number of clients, and price point of the plants. 4. Custom content creation for niche subcultures. Instead of making content for broad topics like fitness or travel, focus on highly niche communities. The more specific the audience, the more profitable it can become. What's the opportunity? Focus on creating content tailored for niche subcultures. This could include specific video tutorials, podcasts, or even ebooks targeting subcultures such as vintage car restorers, cosplayers, or rare pet enthusiasts. These niche markets are passionate, highly engaged, and often underserved. They will pay for tailored content that speaks directly to their interests. You could monetize this content through ads, sponsorships, and exclusive memberships. Profit potential. With the right audience, this can easily scale up to $2,000, $20,000 per month as you grow your fan base and expand into affiliate marketing or selling exclusive content. 5. Luxury concierge service for time-starved entrepreneurs. Busy professionals and entrepreneurs are always looking for ways to optimize their time. So why not build a luxury concierge service that takes care of their personal needs? What's the opportunity? Start a service where you handle personal errands like gift buying, grocery shopping, setting up personal appointments, or organizing their travel arrangements. Tailor your services to high-end clients who need this on a regular basis. Think of it as a personalized, high-end assistance service for the wealthy, ultra-busy entrepreneur. Offer a subscription service or charge premium per hour rates for your time and service. Profit potential. Depending on your client base, you could charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour, meaning you could easily make $5,000, $30,000 plus a month offering concierge services to just a handful of clients. 6. Subscription boxes for hyper-niche interests. Subscription boxes are no longer just for beauty products or snacks. You can create a unique subscription box tailored to some of the most obscure and hyper-specific niches you can imagine. What's the opportunity? Think about unique hobbies or interests like chess, comic book collecting, or even historical reenactment. Curate a box of rare or specialized items related to that niche. For instance, a historical reenactment box could include period-authentic props, fabrics, or guides. Charge a subscription fee and ship out new themed boxes every month. Profit potential. Subscription boxes can range from $10 and $100 per month. With 100 subscribers, you could easily generate $1,000, $10,000 monthly. And the more niche and specialized, the higher the potential. 7. Voiceover services for AI and virtual assistants. Artificial intelligence is on the rise, and so are the opportunities for voiceover work. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this is a fantastic income stream to tap into. What's the opportunity? Offer voiceover services for AI assistants, automated phone systems, video games, and apps. These AI-driven systems need realistic voices that feel human. This is a booming market, with businesses constantly in need of new voices for their AI systems or virtual assistants. You can also branch out into audiobook narrations or explainer videos for tech companies. Profit potential. Voiceover work can pay anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per project, depending on the scope. High-demand niches like AI can bring in steady monthly income of $3,000, $10,000 plus. 8. Augmented reality, AR. Shopping experience for small businesses. Small businesses are constantly looking for ways to stand out in the crowded market. You could be the solution by offering augmented reality, AR shopping experiences. What's the opportunity? Develop AR experiences for local businesses where customers can virtually try on products, visualize them in their homes, or explore an interactive store layout. Offer this service to clothing stores, furniture retailers, or even local art galleries. You can charge a premium for setting up AR experiences, as businesses are willing to pay for innovative solutions that enhance customer engagement. Profit potential. A single AR project could earn you anywhere from $2,000, $10,000 per client, depending on the complexity. Scale this into multiple clients, and you're looking at significant monthly income. 9. Mobile car detailing subscription. Who doesn't love a shiny, clean car? Offering a mobile car detailing service on a subscription model is an easy way to cash in on an ongoing need. What's the opportunity? Offer a subscription-based car detailing service where customers pay monthly for regular cleaning and maintenance. Focus on busy professionals, parents, or even luxury car owners who are willing to pay for convenience. Provide everything from exterior washes to interior detailing, all done at their doorstep. Profit potential. Depending on the subscription price and your clientele, you could easily earn $3,000, $10,000 a month by servicing just 100 plus customers. Smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash. These business ideas aren't just creative, they've got the potential to earn you big-time profits. Whether you're looking for something small-scale to start on the side, or a full-blown entrepreneurial journey, these income streams offer major opportunities for growth. So get out there, take action, and start turning those ideas into income today.